In today's video, I'll be breaking down how you can easily start your online business in 2023. Hey guys, Seb here from Wolfeo. So by the end of this video, you should have all of the tools that you need to launch your business this year. And the best part is the tools that I'm showcasing are the fundamental resources and tools that you need to get started quickly. And best of all, they're not going to need any real investment inside of them, and they're going to be able to help you generate your first few sales in just a couple of hours. So I definitely recommend using these tools. So a quick note before we get started, building an online business is not easy at all, and if you've heard otherwise, then they're probably lying to you. But the best part is that this video is breaking down everything you need to launch your online business this year. And as a quick note, we have also left chapters all along this video, so you can go ahead and save this video. And then when you actually go and start implementing all of these steps, you can reference back to this video and watch the steps again, just to make sure that you have everything covered. So the first thing you're going to need is a name and preferably a logo. So if you haven't got a name already, then I recommend heading over to nameify.tech. And even if you do have a name, go to this website, because the cool thing about this is once you actually find your name with this awesome, modern, memorable name generator, it's also going to give you all of the available social media handles, which you can use on TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and all of that. So it's going to tell you if the social handles are available, and it's also going to give you alternatives if they aren't available. And the best part is you're also going to get a free logo that you can use, and we're also going to reference a few websites on where you can buy your own custom email domain as well as website domain, which is really awesome because, again, if you're going to be sending out emails, you preferably want to have a custom URL for your website as well as a custom email, because in most cases, if you're using Hotmail or Outlook and even Gmail, if you're sending out bulk emails every single day, most likely these emails are going to go into people's spams because they're just generic free email addresses that anyone can use. So they're typically flagged as spam, whereas custom emails don't get flagged as spam. So you're going to make sure that the people who are receiving your emails are actually going to be able to get them, and they're not going to be in that junk folder. So that is step one complete. Heading over to Nameify, making sure you've got a great business name, as well as your social media handles, a free logo, your custom email. Now what we want to do is make sure that you can actually get paid easily. So the best options to do this, and by the way, they are both 100% free, are using platforms and payment gateways like Stripe, as well as PayPal. And if you want a step-by-step process on how to create your business PayPal or business Stripe account, then head over to the description down below, because we have two dedicated videos. They're about 3 to 4 minutes on how to create your business account on those payment gateways, just so you can get started really quickly and make sure that you're not missing anything, so you can start taking payments really quickly. Now, one thing to note, that Stripe and PayPal are the most secure and easily accessible payment gateways out there for your customers, because all they have to do is they can either pay with their PayPal account, or they can just simply input a credit card or debit card when you're doing those payment gateways. They can easily just pay for something and you can easily get those payments, and then those will go straight to your bank. So now you've completed step 1 and step 2, we now need to actually set up the fundamental steps of your business. So the software that we're going to be recommending and using here is Wolfeo.net. So Wolfeo is the all-in-one tool to manage your business online, and the best part is you can try it out completely for free without even needing a credit card to sign up. So the cool thing about Wolfeo is that it literally offers everything you need to launch your online business. And of course, the first thing that everyone is thinking is, I want to build a website or I want to build a blog. Well, the thing is, Wolfeo allows you to do that and so much more. So you can see here, you've got your website tab, you've got your sales tab, emails, funnels, courses, and affiliation, as well as the beta webinars, so you can launch your own webinars. So for example, if you wanted to create a website, we have a quick preview of this website, which I just had a little mess around with. You can see you've got all of this, and the best part is that it's super customizable. So you just head over to the pages, and then you can go ahead and just edit the page. It's going to take you here, and then you have the builder option where you can literally just change anything you want. So if you wanted to remove text, you wanted to remove this opt-in form, you can do it just like that. Then you can drag in another video right here. You could then import that. You could also add your images. You just click on these buttons, it will take you to the images. You select it, use media, you can make it bigger or smaller. and just completely customize it however you want. Now, of course, if you don't know how to get started with doing all of this, then the cool thing is that they have templates on here, so you can easily create different website themes. So it's going to be really easy for you to get started in creating your website. And like I mentioned before, Wolfeo also allows you to do all of your email marketing campaigns. So if you go to your contacts, you can see all of your contacts, and you can see a little bit more in depth about your contacts. So you can add your tags and sequences, double opt-in and all of that stuff, as well as your customers' information. You can then create email marketing sequences with different steps. So here you can see my sequence name, and then it can send email 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 after each day. So then you can send email newsletters every single month, or if you have an offer that you want to promote, you could send a new email every 4 hours or 8 hours, completely customizable. And then of course, if you just want to send a generic campaign email, you then select your campaign, give it a name, choose one of the templates that you want, for example this one, then just change your email subject, your name, customize it, or just delete it and write your own. Press save and continue, select your contacts, for example right here, press next, and then you can do it send now, press send now, and then boom, you've just sent an email campaign to your customers that you've selected. The sales section is just as easy. Head over to the sales tab. You can see your dashboard where you can see all of the money that you're generating inside of your account. You can also manage all your transactions, your subscriptions, your products, your orders, your invoices, and credit notes. If you wanted to go ahead and create a new product, go to product, press add new, give it a name, give it a description, an image, a price, and then change your product type to physical, digital, subscription, or course. Then input your VAT. And then all you have to do is press save, and then you've created a product, and then you can start selling that immediately. You also have the options to do all of your sales funnels. If you wanted to create an opt-in form, for example, right here, we can see we've got the ultimate 100K course blueprint. Again, Wolfeo has a bunch of templates. So if you want to add a new page, you add a new step, you can call it test, and we can select which page type we want. If we just want to start from scratch, we could do start from scratch. If we wanted a lead page, click lead page and then create a new funnel step. You can then see you have all of these awesome templates which you preview, and then if you like the look of it, you press use this template, edit page, and then boom, you can start editing it just like the website builder. It's got the drag and drop elements in here, customize it however you like, and then you're all good to go. And of course, my favorite part is the online courses section. So you have the dashboard right here. You can create your own courses as well as quizzes. So for example, go to new course, give it a name, and then give it full access or drip delivery. Go ahead and create that, and then you can customize your style. So there are currently 2 different themes. We've got the blue theme, which looks like this. So it looks super clean. Just go ahead and press play. Then you can check out your videos, download assets, give it a like, favorite, and there's even a comment section. So if you have any questions, then you can just ask your questions in here. And then of course, here you have the Netflix theme. So as you can see, it looks very familiar to Netflix. You can just go to your different module, click on any video you want. It's going to take you to that chapter. Then you can preview it again, give it a like or a comment or a favorite, and then just press complete lesson once you've completed. And it'll also give you the runtime of the video, which is super awesome. Finally, the last 2 steps, we have the affiliation center. So if you like to do affiliate marketing and you like people to sell your products for you, you can go ahead and create an affiliate campaign. Then you can set your rate. So if you wanted 20, 40, 30 commission, you can set that. And then whenever someone sells one of your products, they'll automatically be entered into the affiliate section, and then they'll automatically be paid once you've been paid. So super awesome if you're into affiliate marketing. And then currently we have the webinar test feature, so you can host your webinars inside of Wolfeo, all inside of your funnels. So again, a great all-in-one tool which literally covers everything you need to launch your business. You have your sales, your emails, your courses, affiliation, website, and webinars. And if you are new to Wolfeo, then click on the Get Started page, and it's going to give you everything you need to know to actually set up your account, from linking your own custom domains, to linking your own custom emails, as well as setting up your payment providers. All of these steps are important to get started in Wolfeo, and there's step-by-step guides, either text-based or video-based, showing you how to do everything. And there's also tutorials teaching you how to create your online courses, create your emails as well as your funnels. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it did help you, and hopefully you're going to get started with creating your online business this year. Remember, like this video and save it so you can come back to it later and then reference back to the parts that you want to watch again. But again, as a quick recap, head over to nameify.tech to get your name, your logo, your email, as well as your custom domain. Then you can head over to Stripe or PayPal to have your payment gateway so you can start taking payments easily. And then finally, head over to Wolfeo.net, the all-in-one tool to just do everything you need for your online business. I hope this video did help you out. If it did, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you in the next video.